Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on non-sequential data. In the previous lecture, we have learned about the sequential data where we learn about the array, string, list and tuples. And in this lecture, we will concentrate on the non-sequential data which are dictionary and a set. So there we can say that there are two types of non-sequential data. First one is a dictionary and second one is a set. So before looking at how to create a dictionary, let me explain you what is dictionary. So dictionary is an unordered collection of data values. So like another data type which hold any single value in an element, the dictionary holds the key value pairs. In the key value pairs, you can say here we have declared a variable for the dictionary dicval equals to, and inside the curly braces we have write all the elements that we want to use in our dictionary. As I told you, the dictionary is a collection of key value pair. So this is the key value pair. Here the first element is considered as a key, and after the colon sign the second value is considered as a value. So this is the combination is called the key value pair. Here the key should always be unique, but the value can be duplicate. And here name is a key value and the value is a Richa, and here class is the key and BCA is the value, marks is the key and 57 is the value. So marks can be repeated, class can be repeated, can be duplicate, but name, class and marks which are considered here as a key cannot be duplicate, cannot be repeated. We have to write here dic val, name and value. That means key value and key value. We can also create dictionary by using a built-in function named dict. So here is example. We have used the dicval, a variable which considered as a dictionary variable equals to dict, which is the built-in function to create a dictionary. Then we have used the small bracket. Inside the small bracket we have used the the square bracket, and then inside we have used key value pair inside the small bracket and separated by the comma, where first one is a key and second one is a value, and then second key pair is also separated by the comma, and third key pair is also separated by the comma. And when we run it, we get the same output as we have done before. So we can say that we can create the dictionary without using the built-in function, or we can use it using built-in function. Next one is a set, which is also considered is an non-sequential data because set consists of various elements and the order of the element in set is undefined. So any immutable data type like the string or numbers can be the element of the set, but the list cannot be the element of the set. As in the dictionary we have passed the list of the elements, pass the element as a list using the square bracket, but that cannot be done to create a set. And you also cannot create a set using a set itself. And like the example here we have taken a variable named setVal equals to, when we use the curly braces, and as I told you, the set consists of various elements and the order is undefined. So we can use any type of data without any order. Here it is a string. For data science, we have used numeric data, integer, we have used the decimal data, and we have again used the string called education. And when we run it, we get the values like this one. Here you can see here the order I have given here is different from the order I received as an output. So that's why the set is called the unordered list of the elements. A set can also be defined using the set function. For that we have to use the set function, and inside the small bracket, suppose I have used the data science string as a set, and when I run it I get the individual character as a output, but the order of the characters are different because D, A, then T doesn't come, T comes here, Then again another A is not repeated because it doesn't contain the repeated value. And then C is contained here, E, I, N, S, and T. So thank you so much guys for watching the video.